On your MacBook, on running a test case, you might see that there is some error like this, that your Chrome driver cannot be verified. If you are getting this error, we'll see how we can fix this error in this video. So first, go to the path where your Chrome driver is present. In my case, it's here. Now we have to run a command, x attribute command. It's in description, or you can just type it on your screen. So I'm copying and pasting this command and just hit enter. Once that is done, I will try to rerun my test, and you can see that the previous error is gone. Now the Chrome is also started, but there's still some another error, and let's see what this error is. This error clearly mentions that we need Chrome of version 127, so I need to upgrade my Chrome version. I will open my Chrome browser. On your Chrome browser, go to settings, and in setting you should find option to check the version and also update the version. It will take some time to update the version based on your internet speed. I will just go forward. Okay, so now version is updated to latest one, that is 127, and I will just relaunch Chrome browser. Let's run our test once again. Alright, so Chrome is started, but the test is failed, and this will fail in your case as well for the first time, because we have to set. First, let's go through the error. You will see something like invalid status. So we have to set one header to fix this error. I will show you how to do that. While creating WebDriver, we have to pass a header, and to pass a header you can just copy this code from the description. We need to create options like Chrome options, and in option we will pass argument to allow remote origins. We just allow header, and okay, the driver is duplicate. I need to remove the old driver. Let me remove this, and let's rerun again. Okay, now test is Chrome browser is started. The search looks good. Yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do to build up your environment on your MacBook. Thank you.